Hey Sunny fam, welcome to Medicine Ball Mania. If you're looking for a workout that's gonna hit full body and use that medicine ball, we're gonna hit that together and we're gonna get started right now. Today, we're gonna be doing a medicine ball style workout. Now this means we're gonna be training all the major muscles, shoulders, legs, chest and back, as well as we'll mix in some agility and conditioning so your heart rate's up and you feel like you got a complete workout. Let's get started. I'm gonna have you begin with me in a light jog in place. We're gonna do that right now. Before we grab onto that medicine ball, I wanna take a couple moments to get warmed up. As you come into your light jog, I want you to start to check in with your body a little bit. Make sure that you're not holding on to tension up in your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. Get a little bit of natural movement in your arms. Beautiful. Shake that out for me. We're doing jumping jacks in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And we're just staying onto the ball of the foot as we're moving the legs out and then back in. Beautiful. Stay with me here, just a few more. Shake it out, great job. We're gonna go back to that jog in place. Let's do it again, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Whew. My heart rate's already elevating. And this helps us to get warm together. Now, the medicine ball is what for us? A, it's resistance or it's load, right? So anytime we're using resistance, we know we are using our muscles. This is strength training. B, this ball shape creates just a different layer and a new style of work. Shake that out. That's gonna bring things to a fresh point in your fitness. Let's do some jacks. And I think that if we're gonna really stick with this journey of ours, where we're training, getting healthier, stronger all the time, we got to mix it up. And that's what today's all about. Bring it in the change and enjoying the journey. 3, 2, 1, shake it out. Great job. All right, do me a favor here. Take your hands, clasp them behind your back. I want you to press the back of the hands down, squeeze your shoulder blades backwards. And then you're just gonna lean back for me. Great. Now release there. Sweep the arms up for just a brief moment and lean backwards, pull down. Give yourself some hugs, left over right and right over left. We're gonna be doing a handful of exercises here and we're gonna be working for 40 seconds and we'll have kind of a quick transition, just 20 seconds to either break or get ready for that next exercise. I want you to grab your medicine ball, take that ball with both hands in front of your chest, legs together, and we've got drop squats in 3, 2, 1. First exercise starts now. Arms are gonna extend as we go down. We'll do a little bicep curl coming up. And I want you to sit back into your heels each time you're in that squat. If you need to modify this because jumping doesn't work for you, your exercise looks like this. Side to side, sitting back into your chair, keeping your chest tall the entire time. 10 more seconds. Let's go. Breathe out as you go up. Last one. And time. Whew. Great job. Step to the back of your mat for me. We got 15 seconds before we go into our lunges. Now we're gonna do a forward stepping lunge, which I love because those forward stepping lunges are gonna target more of our quads and they're gonna force us to find great balance. Let's alternate legs. Let's go. Stepping in, pushing down and back. Switch legs every time. And these don't have to be as fast as those squats we just finished. I want you to find your breath. Breathing out each time you push up. Good job. 10 seconds to go. Definitely feeling the work in my quads. I'm feeling the work in my glutes. Last one, and time. Good job. Hold on to that med ball for me. You're off to a good start. Exercise number 3. We've got med ball marching oblique crunches. That ball is going to be right in front of the chest. We're marching right, left, and so forth. 3, 2, 1. Let's march it out, and then let's crunch, taking ball to the hip. Here's what happens. Your upper body's job is to twist. So with control, you're turning, and that's what gets our core to fire. The lower body's job is to drive those knees up high. Put it all together, and we are doing standing core, baby. Let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Great job. All right, we got med ball lateral lunges. We're gonna be alternating from right side to left side. We don't have a lot of time to chill. We're getting ready to jump into it. Legs together, please. Ball in front of the chest. Let's step out to the right. Ball comes to the front of the knee, back to the center, and then the other side. And I'm just gonna step off the mat here because I want long strides. I wanna encourage you to take nice long strides as well. Remember, there's something called vertical force. That means when you're here at the bottom of your lunge, you're pushing down with that outside leg, and you're gonna move much stronger when the emphasis is down instead of pushing to the side. I got 2 left. Here's my last one. And rest. You're doing great. We'll give the legs a little break. My heart rate's up. Boom, 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 boom. That's good. Let's work the upper body. Some shoulders here, okay? Set your feet up shoulder width distance. Unlock your knees. Start with the ball over on one side, one shoulder. You're gonna press up and over, then to the other shoulder. We're starting now. Each time you go up, you're gonna breathe out. Try not to bounce. Don't do this. It's not this. Keep that body still. Use your shoulders to move up and over. Pull the belly button in, brace your core. Last one, and time. Oh yeah, we got one more exercise in this first big round of stuff. And we're gonna go into some raises. So we're gonna go front raise, press, front raise, press, okay? Arms are nice and long, chest is proud. Let's start with our front raise, back down. Let's actually do that again. We'll front raise, in, press, down. That's how we'll do those, okay? So we go up, in, press, down. Both of these motions are training our shoulders. Now when we do the front raise, we want to just make sure to lift that ball up to about chin height. And especially when we press the ball forward and back, same thing, right at the chin, down with control. Try not to let your chest fall down. Keep your chest tall. One more, my shoulders are burning. Time. Great job. That's our first round. We're gonna take about 45 seconds. We'll pause, we'll drink water. So hydrate up if you need to. I'm going to. And at the end of this 45, we got a second round coming up, okay? So let's get ready. We're gonna start with our jump squats, or our drop squats, I should say, using that med ball, and then we'll work through that entire round. One more time, each move, okay? Are you ready? All right, I'm ready. 5 seconds and we'll start. Feet together. Ball in front of the chest. Let's go. Down and up. Don't bend over. I want your eyes forward and your chest up. Now it's really important that your shoulders follow your eyes. If you look down, your shoulders are gonna collapse. The squat gets messy. So modify if you need to modify. Just keep your eyes forward and keep your chest up. We got 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, time. Good job. Take some deep breaths. We got 20 seconds to breathe it out. Squats are done for the day. That's good news. We're gonna do our front lunges. Ooh, I like me some lunges. Here we go. Get ready with me. Big steps. Chest proud. Let's go. I'm gonna give you a really pro tip here. Are you ready for it? One of the critical things I've learned to do in moments where my heart rate's up, in moments where maybe I feel the burn, maybe there's a little bit of uncertainty in my body, I've learned how to control my breathing. I've learned when to take a big breath and slow down, when to have rhythmic breaths and pick up the pace. And I want to encourage you to tune into your breathing right now. See if you can sync up your breath with the move. Time. Doing awesome. Breathing's going to be crucial. And if the breathing is something that doesn't come super flowy and natural to you, just keep it front of mind. Think about your breathing. Hear yourself breathe. That's going to help. Marching, oblique crunches. 3, 2, 1. Upper body's job is to twist. Lower body's job is to march and drive the knees high. Stay tall. Don't let yourself come down and collapse. Don't do this. Stay up with your chest and twist. Hang in there. Less than 10 seconds. Come on, find that balance. Time. Whew. Those get tough quickly. And what happens to me is I feel pretty strong for about 15, 20 seconds. And then my hip muscles and my arms and my abs, they start knocking on the door. That's when I know I'm doing it correctly. Good job. Lateral lunges. 3, 2, 1. We go out. And then the other side. Talked about vertical force, that first round that we did. Come back into that. The goal is to push the floor down underneath us. You're almost exploding up with real power. And you're gonna get your glutes more involved when you do it that way as well. 10 more seconds. Nice long strides, last one. Time. Whew. Side to side shoulder press. The legs get a break. So we go back to back shoulder exercises here, okay? So remember, it's supposed to feel challenging. Feet are about hip width distance, knees unlocked. Starting at the shoulder, we're gonna go up and over, side to side. And what I'm doing here is I'm actually kind of loading one side. I can see the weight here, fingertips, up, and then I'll load this side now. So I'm kind of doing a nice little single arm press, just using the opposite hand to keep balance of that ball. And when you do it this way, you can really feel it, even if you don't have a lot of weight. Last one. And there's our time. Final exercise of the day. I'm sweating. I'm working too. This is good. Okay, so this is going to be our front raise press and then back to our standard position, okay? You ready for it? Chest is up, Knees are bent, and let's go. Front raise. Press, back down. And down. Once again, come back to the breath again, okay? We make better decisions when we breathe. We have more endurance and more power when we breathe. And I want us to finish strong. So with about 13 seconds left, we're gonna cross that finish line with a little swagger, with some pizzazz. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and time. Great job. Hey, listen, that was so great. Thank you so much for working out with me today and also working hard. If you like this workout, do me a big favor, hit that like button and make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell to stay updated with all the new workouts that come out every single week. Feel free to leave a comment and let us know, how did you do? How did you feel? And what are your goals? And by the way, let us know if you want more workouts just like this. We'll make them happen just for you.
If you enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There, you'll find more classes from me. I teach boxing, mobility, and yoga, plus many more from all the Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click the link in the description below.